So today I will go ahead and explain the project. I will also explain the analog voltage input. I will also explain how to convert voltage to temperature. I will explain the code logics for the LEDs. I will then go ahead and test my logic, and I will go ahead and try to explain the code as best as possible. So the way that the analog voltage input works is that the Arduino microprocessor is 10 bits. Therefore, 10 to 3 equals 5 volts. I will now explain how to convert voltage to temperature. First off, we need to get the voltage into resistance, and that we use the voltage divider. Then we set 1 over C subscript 1, C subscript 2, the logic of R2, which we get it from our voltage divider, plus C subscript 3, and then the log of the resistor 2 cubed. C subscript 1 equals 1.0092495522 e to the negative 3. C2 equals 2.3784054 e to the negative 4. And C subscript 3 equals 2.0192027 e to the negative 7. When we have high resistance and the temperature is less than 70, the red LED will turn on, meaning that has low resistance in green and blue. When the temperature is between 70 and 80, the green LED has high resistance. When the temperature is higher than 80, the LED will be high blue resistance. So I will now go ahead and explain and test my logic. Since right now the thermal sensor here is sensing temperatures between 70 and 80, my LED green is on. But however, because I have heat from my body, when I touch the thermal sensor, the blue LED turns on. Once I let it go, it goes ahead and decreases in temperature, and in a bit we will see the green LED turn on once again. Now I have an cold ice pack here, and you will see me apply it to the thermal sensor. As you see, my LED turned red because the thermal sensor sensed that the temperature dropped below 70. To further prove my logic, here you can see that the temperature is 78.3 and my green LED is on. Now, when I apply heat, you can see how the temperature went up and my blue LED is on. You can see it decreasing in value. Once it gets again 79, boom, green LED is on. Now when we apply the ice pack, you can see the temperature drop. And boom, red LED turns on. Temperature higher than 70. Green LED is here. To further prove my logic, we have my constant temperature, meaning my LED green is on. I apply heat and we can see the temperature go up exponentially, and my blue LED is on. Now let it go and it will start to decrease. Now as you can see, the temperature is just below 80. My green LED is on. I will now go ahead and apply the ice pack. You can see my temperature drop. Having my red LED turn on, but it just went up because of the temperature. I'll try to explain the code. Here we have, if temperature Fahrenheit is less than 70, Red will have a high resistance, green will have low resistance, blue will have low resistance, and then we'll go ahead and print the red LED on, turning on my red LED. And next we have if temperature Fahrenheit is greater than or equal to 70 and temperature Fahrenheit is less than 80. We have red as low resistance, green and high resistance, blue and low resistance, printing my green LED on. And for the final step, we can see that if temperature Fahrenheit is greater than 80, my red will have a low resistance, green low resistance, blue high resistance, which return a print in blue LED on.